Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I am busy. It is 12:30 now. This is the time when I usually stop and have my lunch. I have been doing some crochet this morning, you can see on the bag there. But I'm going to my granddaughter's for my Sunday dinner today, so I won't be stopping for lunch. I'll just be getting my lunch when I go down my granddaughter's. So I've started knitting a little bit of my other sweater here. I didn't get much of it done last night. I decided to finish the piece on that one, which I have done. So that's ready for to do a little bit. Probably my knitting that tomorrow. Do a little bit more of that. But as you can see, I'm wearing my sweater. I've made a little video so you can see the whole sweater and see a bit better what it looks like. So I'll stop the video and come back again. This is how my sweater turned out. As you can see, it's quite a good fit. A little bit tighter than the last one I made. The last one I made, the rib part down here and the cuffs and the neck were done on 3.25mm, but I did these on 2.75mm to make them tighter. And I knit the actual body part, instead of 4mm, I used 3.75mm. And this sweater came out exactly 39 inches, which is a little bit tighter on me, but I know it's going to wash looser, so that's what I wanted. So the other one stretched really big, and the arms on the other one wasn't just long, they were like hanging down. The wool was hanging down, and it wasn't like that when I knitted it. So everything just got bigger on it. So I know this one's going to get bigger. So it is a good fit at the moment. Really, it's a bit tighter than I like it, but I know it's going to stretch. So I hope you like what it looks like, the little trouble I took with it. So that's what the whole sweater looks like. It did come out 39 inches, and when I knit them for myself, I usually knit a 40 to measure at least 41 or 42 inches. And that's what my other one did measure 42 inches when it was finished. But it did stretch to 46 inches, which made it bigger all over, not just lengthwise. It went bigger this way where the shoulders were dropping down, and it was making the sleeves long, and like I said on the thing, it was stretching as well this way. It wasn't just the length of the sleeves and the length of the sweater. The whole thing was just too big. So I experimented with thinner needles to make the ribs tighter. So if it does stretch the ribs, when you do it, I use 2.75mm for the cuffs and the ribs and the neck part. So if it does stretch, there's not as much space between stitches for it to stretch as much as it did before. And this is actually a ribbed sweater. As you can see, it does pull out because it is knit 3 purl 1 on one row, but the other row, the wrong side was all purl. So it is a ribbed one, so it does stretch. Maybe that's why it stretched so much as well. I don't know, but a lot of my other sweaters that I've made have stretched as well, and I can only put it down to the wool. It's a kind of wool. I don't know what this one will end up like, because I've done this one the normal size before I thought about doing this one, doing it a smaller size, because I actually did it to a 38 to measure 40 inches, and I did it on thinner needles. The body part's done on 3.75 instead of 4mm, and that's going to make the stitches a little bit tighter, so there's not as much space between the stitches to stretch. That's what I'm experimenting with. I think if I start doing any more for myself, I'm going to do what I did with this one, do smaller size needles to make the stitches tighter and that. It doesn't matter so much on children's, when you do children's ones, because if they do stretch, as children grow, that's all the better, that'll last them a bit longer. They'll fit them afterwards. But with us adults, you know, most of us, we get to the size that we're going to be, and most of us stay that size. Just as you get older, you put a bit more weight on than what you had when you were younger, because you're not as active. That's probably what the thing is, which is the case with me. When I was very young, I only used to knit 34 sizes, and then I got to 36, and then 38, and now 40. So what happens when you get older? You're less active, and I don't know what else it is, but that's the way it's been with me. So anyway, I'm just going to knit what I can of this one before I go down my granddaughter's. Like I'm saying, it is now 12:30. I'm not going to go down my granddaughter's till about, I usually leave around about 2. So don't have an early lunch. So I'm just going to do what I can of this. I may look for other things, look through my book and see if I can. This actual sweater, I now have 2 sizes knitted in it. And I'm going to try and work out. I now have, this is what I've knitted here as a 38, so I have a 38 and a 40 on it. So I will try and work out the smaller sizes, a couple of smaller sizes and one maybe larger sizes, because I only keep to about 5 sizes to most of my patterns. So I'll have a look and see if I can work out the smaller sizes, and then I may bring out a pattern for it. But like with sweaters, we're not going to be wanting them soon because of the warmer weather, but anybody that's wanting to knit them for the winter, which a lot of people tend to do, and knit in the summer for the winter things, don't we? So that's just a little bit catch up on this Sunday. Well, it's afternoon now. And at least it's stopped raining. It's not raining anymore. So maybe I'll have a couple of dry days for my garden to dry out a little bit. And then I'll be able to get back out to do things in my garden again, which means my knitting's going to come second place again. You know, we do need the rain, you know, sometimes, but in this country we seem to get an awful lot more than what we need. So, thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you again sometime. So, bye for now. I just came on today to let you see how my sweater turned out.